Hey everybody, finders are keepers here at a place I've been to quite a while ago. Yeah, let me change the focus there, sorry. There's a swimming pool right there. Ball diamond here. I'm not did the ball diamond and pool open today, so I don't know about going down there or not. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the diamond here, see what I can find. I'll get back to you. Okay everybody, first find, dime. But it's only about 2 inches down, clad dime. It's like a 1976. And yeah, that's all we got in that hole, nothing else. Get back with you. Alright, second place, out a couple feet from the other. Says it's a penny, maybe a clad one. So, see what we can find here. Still down in the hole. Over there. It was a good signal when I had it there. So okay, and Pepsi. Okay, change my focus over. Pepsi. Other one was a dime. This one wasn't. Alright. Tell you the amount of rain we've been having. This field is dry. Ran a little hard. Hey everybody, finders are keepers here. Just got done doing the ball field on right fair center field. Maybe about an hour in. Didn't show all my trash items there, but you can see I got quite a few coins from nickels, quarters, dimes, and pennies. Don't know, I know there's some memorials in there, but I didn't actually look at the coins well enough. So let me go ahead and give me something to eat. We'll try one more place, and then I'll get this online for you. Thanks. Hey everybody, finders are keepers here. Finished up at that ballpark. Did right field, center field. You saw some of the things I found right there. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this little area here. That's actually a fire station. And this playground here has been here for years and years. I don't know. It's dated back many years. So I was told by somebody a little bit ago that there's actually other hunters in this town. So I'll take my luck and see what I can find here. And then I'll get back with you. Alright everybody, finders are keepers. Just got done doing a portion of this. Not over there, just this area here. Getting tired. So those were the ones from earlier. These are the ones from now. I think I just got some pennies, nickels, maybe a couple dimes there. More than one pull tab I left in my bag. So I'll get these together, cleaned up, put them online for you. Happy hunting everybody. Thanks for watching.